This week, we want to show you the square button paperback machine as below.
Before introducing the machine function and feature, we'd like to show you which kind of bags is made by this machine. Let's see a short video to show you different bags made by this machine.
We can see all those bags have the same feature. The bag's bottom is square. But we can still find some difference between the different bags. And let me introduce all those bags. First, let's look at the bottom of the bag. We normally can find 3 different buttons. Our machine can make all 3 different kinds of buttons. Using different dealing methods in the machine, we can make 3 different kinds of button bags.
Let's see the bags in my hand. Any different you find? Yes, in the back mouth they have a semicircle. We call these kinds paperback self-opening snack bags, nicknamed SOS bags. This semicircle helps the user more easily opening the bags.
Also, you can see the bags in my hand. Bag with die-cut patching handle. Bag with printing. Bag with window. All of them can be made in a B-series paper bag making machine. We just add different functions in the machine.
Thanks a lot for paying attention to us. Next week, we will show more about B-series paperback machine.
Okay, see you next week. Bye bye.